Lewis structures, or Lewis symbols, are a way for us to keep track of valence electrons and bonding. For an individual atom, the Lewis structure is drawn by writing the element symbol and adding a dot to represent each electron. A pair of dots indicates electrons that are paired in the same orbital. Using this process, we can show that lithium has one valence electron and beryllium has two, both of which are paired together in the same orbital, in this case a 2s orbital. Boron has 3 electrons, valence electrons, 2 of which are paired in an s orbital, and 1 that is unpaired in one of the 2p orbitals. Carbon has 4 total valence electrons, and the 2 that are in the 2p orbitals are in different orbitals, so we're going to show those on different sides of the carbon atom symbol. Using this process, we can keep going, following Hund's rule, and putting in the correct number of valence electrons for nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. I got a little crazy there with neon, sorry. The Lewis structures for monatomic cations and anions start with the Lewis symbol for each element and then adjust the number of electrons accordingly. For the lithium ion, we remove 1 valence electron and then we show the charge plus 1 outside of the brackets. For oxygen, we add 2 valence electrons, I've shown them there in red, and again, the symbol is drawn in brackets and with the charge written outside of the brackets.